Factbox companies react to U.S. Supreme Court's ruling overturning Roe v. Wade. A handful of U.S. businesses had been briefed to outline their rules for personnel after the nation's top court decided to overturn the landmark ruling that identified a female's constitutional proper to an abortion and legalized it national. Several organizations had been already presenting reproductive health care blessings, such as abortion insurance or journey advantages for out-of-state abortion, before Friday's decision, as some kingdom legislatures had imposed tighter restrictions. Reaction from U.S. organizations. Company name comment. Walt Disney. The business enterprise mentioned it will cull travel benefits for personnel searching for own family-making plans or reproductive care. Meta Platforms. The social media company stated it intends to offer tour rate reimbursements, to the volume authorized by law, for personnel who will need them to get admission to out-of-state fitness care and reproductive offerings. We are in the method of assessing how nice to accomplish that given the prison complexities involved. Microsoft. The software program Massive reiterated that it would cover journey rate for abortion and different lawful medical services in which get right of entry to care is constrained in an worker's domestic geographic vicinity, a business spokesperson mentioned. CVS Health. The employer mentioned it had made out-of-state care accessible for personnel residing in states which have instituted legal guidelines that restriction get entry to. With the brand new choice, we're evaluating how we will first-rate help the insurance desires of fellow workers, clients and consumer. Netflix. The streaming pioneer reiterated it gives a tour repayment coverage for full-time U.S. employees and their dependents who need to travel for abortion through its health plans. The insurance is a $10,000 lifetime allowance according to worker and/or their dependents in line with carrier. Bumble. The relationship app proprietor stated it'll hold to support its personnel to get entry to the healthcare services that they need. United Health. The largest U.S. health insurer stated it was reviewing the court's opinion. Block. The Bills Corporation will cover fees for U.S. personnel who must tour greater than 100 miles for abortions, a supply familiar with the problem instructed. The coverage will come into effect beginning July 1, in line with the supply.